So the question is, out of all of the things that I've videotaped Hazel McCallion saying, what is the most important thing? And the irony is that what I consider the most important thing happened very early on in 2007. And that's actually a good thing, because of what she said there, it woke me up in 2007. I don't remember what the discussion was about. It could have been the Cities Now. It could have been any number of issues relating to Peel. But at one point, Hazel McCallion offers up comment, and then this wonderful, which I still consider the most important thing that was ever uttered by anyone. And it was simply a question. What happens if nothing happens? What happens if nothing happens? And really, that has been the defining moment and the defining way that I conduct my research. Because I'm forever documenting what happens if nothing happens. So either nothing happens, or the pretense of something happens. But by gosh, I have documented very few real things happening. So since these people have been elected in November 2006, 4 years have gone by, and I've got to say, what happens if nothing happens? Just a lot more of the same. Between Unica and McCallion, their two comments were the focus of my research, in that they helped me see how I was going to research and document the corporation of the City of Mississauga. Hazel McCallion's what happens if nothing happens? Well, you record it anyway. That's the point about research, is that you can record something happening, but you can also record when you're researching a myth, a saga, you're actually documenting a lot of nothing happening.